Upgrading windows to reduce exterior noise immediately improves comfort and can boost resale value. When planning soundproof window upgrades for new construction, start by specifying laminated glass or acoustic glazing because these materials dampen sound transmission by combining a viscoelastic interlayer with glass to convert sound energy into heat. Use double pane or triple pane insulating glass units and create staggered cavity depths between panes to break up resonant frequencies, aiming for at least one cavity larger than the other rather than identical gaps. Select frame systems designed for airtight performance such as thermally broken aluminum or high-quality vinyl, and insist on continuous compression gasketing around the sash and frame to prevent flanking paths where noise sneaks through. Consider secondary glazing where a slim, interior glass panel is added to the existing window to create an extra sealed chamber without full replacement, which is especially useful for historic openings or budget constraints. During specification include sound transmission class targets and ask manufacturers for third-party test data so you have measurable expectations for performance rather than vendor claims. Finally, plan for professional installation because precise alignment, full perimeter sealing with acoustic sealant, correct shim spacing, and proper pressure on gaskets are critical to achieve laboratory-level reductions in real-world conditions. 3 common issues arise when upgrading for sound control, and each has a straightforward fix. Homeowners often focus only on glass and forget the frame, which results in poor overall performance, so address frames and gasketing at the same time you choose glazing. Another frequent problem is assuming equal cavity widths are fine, which can create sympathetic resonances, so specify staggered cavity sizes to disrupt those resonances. A third concern is relying on underqualified installers, which leads to air gaps and loss of acoustic benefit. So, hire installers with documented experience in acoustic or high-performance fenestration and require on-site verification of seals. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for window upgrades and other home improvements, and our community discussions let people share real-world experiences and ask questions before they commit. We make it easier for contractors to find work and for homeowners to compare options and crowdsource practical advice.